Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are doing good and I am pretty good as always. So in today's video we would be discussing about filters in Photoshop, and if you are new to the channel make sure to hit subscribe, and if you like the video make sure to hit a like also. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the filters. So guys, we are here at my screen now, and in this video I would be showing you about filters. So you can go to uh, filters from here on the top menu, and you can, first of all you have to select the image and then you can use any filters. uh, all these are the filters mainly used are liquify, camera raw filters and blur, and sometimes it's noise, but you can try all of them according to your needs. So I would be teaching you about liquify and blur and noise. So that three would be enough, and that three does the job most of the time, so no need to practice a lot of them. So let's stick to these two only. So first of all, let's try the liquify filter. So you will select liquify. It will take time to load the liquify filter. So now it's loaded and you can just simply use different types of brush, and Uh, here are the properties. You can adjust size, pressure and density, and you can just liquefy an image. So you can just play around with these and you can try all of them. So basically first one does the job most of the time. So you can try all of them according to your need, and you can adjust the size, density and also the pressure. Okay, it's I feel it's very large. This one is good. So yeah, you can liquefy images in this way, and this many a times is helpful when it comes to the correction of the image. For example, there was this empty place here, so I can just simply adjust this and make this image workable. And now you can crop this portion, and you can use this image. So liquify is used like this way, and after that you need to press OK. I just press cancel so that I get the original image back, so that we can try different filters. So now we would be using blur filters. So blur filter, most of the time you can use many blur, but Gaussian blur is the best blur. So you can just simply give it a blur according to yourself, and you can adjust the blur. So blurs are Gaussian blur is very useful when you have to create shadows of the object. I would be teaching in coming up tutorials. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe button. So I would be teaching how you can create a realistic shadows in Photoshop, and with that is very helpful with the help of Gaussian tool. So you can just simply press OK and you will get a filter here with the name of smart filter, and you have applied a blur. And now let's try the noise filter. So noise filter is mainly used in the backgrounds. You get a noise texture. So let's take let's use this color. So I have filled my background with this color, and the layer is selected, and I'm going to select the filter and going to add noise, and you can increase the noise and you can see the effect. So you can change it according to yourself, uniform and Gaussian, and you can create great effects in the backgrounds. So noise, you can use it in this way. So that's it for the filters. You can try all of them, but these much will do the job for you. One is that you can also try a motion blur filter. Let me simply jump it to it, and blur and motion blur. Also sometimes you can create an angle, you can create a distance. It is helpful sometimes, but Gaussian blur is enough for most of the time. So that's it for today's video. And if you don't want to use blur, you can just simply turn off these filters. So that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe and keep practicing Photoshop. You can follow me on Instagram, the links are in the description, and you can also join my Facebook group. Link of that will also be available in the description. So see ya for today's video. Bye guys.